I'm fishing with this rooster tail right here. I'm gonna catch a fish. Oh yeah, that's bass number 6. Holy crap. I'm just fishing right here. This is like one of the biggest snakes I've ever seen here. It's so bad. That's my second pumpkin seed sunfish of the day. Holy moly. There we go. He grabbed on. He grabbed on. He wants this fish. Dang, I can't lift it up. You see my rod bending? No way, 2 snakes showed up. That's crazy. Look, there's one and there's mine. No way, dude. That's actually crazy. He got my fish. That means I can't catch him anymore, but he has it somewhere underwater. That's the big one, but the smaller one has my fish. Oh, no way, I followed him all the way upstream. There he goes. This is a fat one. Holy crap. That is a fat little bass. It's little, but it's super fat. There we go. Let's put him back. Little water snake I just caught. I'm gonna put him back right there. At the end of the day, I caught 7 bass, 3 bluegill, and 1 crappie. Saw some snakes and turtles.